Yeah. Concept, man. Concept, man. So you can use me, you choose me every day to wake up. You where I get the faith from. I used to walk by sight, living blindly. I was Waldo, you couldn't find me. Talking to God, man, who was that? A figment of my imagination, maybe. How would it be real when everyone would hate me and call me names like stupid and ugly? I couldn't trust the world for nothing, cause nothing was for me but regrets. It was hard to progress under stress with weight on my heart. It was hard to break chains and bring change to a life that remained ready to die. Like the Biggie album, the outcome would have been tragic, but I didn't care cause they were laughing. So I found suicide. We talked for a while. He told me I was crazy and I was thinking wild. So now I'm thinking wow. I was ready to close the curtains, but I couldn't. I guess I'm here for a purpose. I give myself away. So you can use me, you choose me every day to wake up. You where I get the faith from. I used to walk by sight, living blindly until I found the Most High. It's crazy, the guy who made me never gave up. When I used to exist, now I live and give him praises. Telling people about his greatness and his graces, I'm gracious. I'm really hoping that you take this and listen, cause it's amazing. He's giving me talents to show that he's risen. I'm living for my God. Without him, I'm against all odds. I was busy getting even. I was falling in my season, trying to be a winner. I guess I give myself away so you can use it. The thought of it is amazing. Greatness, when I hear your name, I give myself away for something powerful. Grace, God rises and conquers everything. I give myself away.